Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to create group on Emo. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open Emo on your phone. Then tap on plus from the bottom right corner. From the resulting menu, select New Group Chat. Now select the contacts with whom you want to create the new group. Then tap the OK button from the bottom. The group is created. Now you can make audio or video calls to the group, send voice messages, send emojis, send photos or videos, send any files, and many more. To get the group settings, tap the three dots from the top right corner. You can change the group profile picture from here. If you want to change the group name, tap the pencil icon below the profile picture and enter a group name. Then tap on OK from the top right corner. From this section, you can add or remove any group members. You can search any conversation from here, or see the shared photos or videos, mute the group, delete chat history, and leave the group also. So these are all the things you need to know about creating group on Emo. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.